This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Today I'm talking with Felicia, Assistant Client Experience Manager with O'Brien Service Company, a local heating and air conditioning, plumbing, and electrical business here in our community. And Felicia, we're going to talk about O'Brien's residential preventative maintenance programs that make home comfort a whole lot easier.
Absolutely. To go into a little bit of detail about our Energy Savings Club membership, it is actually designed to provide our clients with benefits. And some of the benefits that we do offer to our clients being part of our membership is the priority service, also the discounted repairs and diagnostic rates, even after hours, and routine inspections and safety checks. Inspections and safety checks will help improve the system performance and also help prevent unexpected breakdowns. We are now offering options for our clients to choose from that actually best fit their budget, including a one-time inspection.
And that peace of mind goes a long way. Now, you also offer a plumbing care club, right?
We do, absolutely. And our Plumbing Care Club memberships offer the similar benefits as our Energy Savings Club membership does. And some of the benefits also include the priority service, the discounted repairs and the diagnostic rates, and a complimentary annual plumbing assessment, which does help catch small issues if there are any, because those can turn into costly repairs. So this just helps keep your plumbing system running efficiently year-round.
Anything else?
Yeah, we truly appreciate our clients and our community, and if you would like to learn more about our memberships, you can give us a call or you can visit our website.
For more details, go to HomePros on WECT.com.